Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this makeup look only using drugstore products. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So starting off, you guys, I'm so sorry if I sound sleepy or whatever. First of all, it's like 6 in the morning right now. And I should be asleep because I work later on today, but we're gonna do this video instead. I do want to tell you that the only thing that I did not use that's drugstore was my eyebrows. We're gonna start off by using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, and I'm gonna be putting that on. Okay, now to set my lids, I'm gonna be using the Airspun powder. I'm gonna grab the beauty blender and just set my eyes. I'm just gonna be removing the excess of the powder. Okay, you guys, for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Mascara Maybelline highlighter. This one I got in a darker shade, so I was like, fuck, I'm gonna start using it for eyeshadow. And ever since I started using it for eyeshadow, bitch, I fucking love it. I'm gonna be grabbing my favorite brush, which is this one. I don't know whose is it from because I got it in my Ipsy bag and I lost a little paper. But I'm gonna be grabbing the flat side on the highlighter. And I'm going to start on my lid. And I'm kind of gonna wing it out. Now that I winged it out, as you guys can see, for it to look more sharp and clean, I'm gonna be using a YP. I finally went to go buy YPs because sis, you always need YPs. I'm going to clean it up like this to make it more sharp. And now that I did that, I'm gonna be grabbing this small brush right here. Ew, I was shaking. This small brush right here, and I'm gonna be grabbing this white shade in the Jaclyn Hill Ball palette. It's called VIP, and I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. So now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and put eyelashes. Oh my god, my eyelashes are in my purse. I have to get up to get them. Okay, you guys, so while we wait for the eyelash to dry up, I'm gonna be using this mascara from L'Oreal. It's called Lash Paradise, and I'm using the waterproof one in the shade Black is Black. I used to love this mascara when I used to have lashes. Now my lashes are so trash. Like there's nothing there. Which is sad because I used to love my real lashes, but I burned them all out. When I was little, when I was like just starting to get on makeup, I don't know why, but I saw this tip online where if you light up this side of the eye curler and you curl your lashes that way, they will look bigger, because it's like when you curl your hair, you know, it gets curlier, it gets whatever. So I would always do that every day, and that fucked up my lashes. So the Instaho lashes, I did not buy any drugstore lashes, guys. I'm so sorry. I don't know, I just stopped using drugstore lashes ever since I started using the Baddie B ones. So yeah, these are Baddie B Instaho. If you guys want to see a review on these lashes, I will link it down below. Ooh, I went from 0 to 100 real quick. You guys see the difference between my eyes? Like this one looks like so pretty and so appreciated, and then this one looks sleepy as hell, like all lazy and shit. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and then I will be right back. I went from looking ugly as fuck to like a fine ass bitch. Anyways, I'm still tired as fuck, to be honest, but you know what? At least I don't look like a tired ass bitch anymore. Anyways, you guys, so starting with my face, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Prime. It's too early for that loudness. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Primer. This is the Hydrate and Smooth. There's like 4 primers, I believe, that are like this. There's a green one that's supposed to cover up your red spots. I should have bought that one, to be honest. I did not realize how red my face is until now. What the fuck? Fucking wild, bro. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Coconut Primer Water. I'm sorry, this is supposed to be a setting and a primer spray. So I'm just gonna spray it on my face. It smells super bomb. I love putting this on my face. Now I'm just gonna be waiting for it to dry it up a little bit. I don't really like feeling my face all wet and stuff because I don't like being wet, but I like how it smells and I like how it feels. It feels really refreshing once it goes like in your skin. Okay, you guys, so now that I set my face for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 128. Try to like other foundations, but I don't like any of them, especially the one that I was using. Oh my god, fuck. Pisses me off, bro. Yeah, I've been using like other foundations and I just don't like any of them. Like, I like this one, the Maybelline, I think it's called 24 Hours Super Stay. I fuck with that one, but I just keep going back to the Maybelline one when you go back to that toxic ass X. But the foundation is not toxic. I love the foundation. Now I'm just gonna be dotting it on my face and put a little bit of dots on my neck just so it matches with my neck. I'm just gonna be dabbing the foundation. This is also a drugstore sponge. This is the Maybelline or the L'Oreal, I forgot what it is. And then right here I really want to be careful because low-key my eyebrows look really good today. No wonder why I always look so big. So I kind of like shaped it off a little bit, so hopefully it doesn't look as big as I always do. Okay, you guys, so now for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is the one that I used to prep my lids in the shade Fair, I think it is, or is it light? It's light ivory. I thought it was Fair. And I'm just gonna put some on my forehead as well, a little bit on that ugly ass pimple on the bridge of my nose and on my chin, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, you guys, so while we wait for that to set, we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom of my eyes, and I'm gonna be grabbing the same highlighter shadow and I'm gonna put it on the waterline. Using another mascara, which is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This one I use for my lower lashes because of the brush. It's like really small, so it works good as fuck for my lower lashes. Now that I did the bottom eyes, to finish up the eye look, I'm going to be going back with the BIP white shimmery shade in the ball palette, and I'm going to pop that on my inner corner. Wow, that's hella intense. I love it. Removing the powder. To contour, we're going to be using the Maybelline Master Contour Palette, And we're gonna go ahead and use the contour shade. Brush right here. It only has a hair. And I'm gonna be using the blush in the Maybelline palette. Blush is actually kind of intense, so I'm just going to pat it on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, you guys, and for highlighter, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild highlighter powder in the shade Golden Flower Crown. I've been using this highlighter for a while, so it's kind of hitting pan. It's actually one of my favorites after the Master Chrome one. That's intense. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this. I like. I'm gonna be grabbing the Airspun powder again. And cut my cheeks. Okay, you guys, so for lipstick, I'm going to be using the NYX lipstick in the shade London. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys want to see more of my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.